Time now for the Trader Rundown with Tim Biggam of Options Insider. He's setting up for the Fed announcement today. Good to have you on the show.
Great to be here. Thanks, Ange.
So do you think there'll be a rate hike?
I think absolutely not, and I don't think there'll be one this year. I think there'll be hawkish talk, jawboning, everyone calm down here. But given the growth that we're seeing, which is abysmal, and the comparative interest rates, I don't think the Fed has any room to hike here at all.
I'm not so sure.
We shall see.
I could be wrong, but I'm not. Maybe the commentary will be a little bit more aggressive towards a hike.
That's exactly what makes a market, exactly.
Okay, there we go. So you're also watching some stocks, including Apple, which shot up, and then we had the pullback this week. And then what do you see happening here now?
Yeah, Apple, interesting enough, had a huge rally up to that 116 level, which coincided with precisely a 2% yield on Apple. So I think the value guys, and Apple is most assuredly a value stock now, at that 2% yield start to get a little worrisome. So I'm kind of targeting a call spread looking to short Apple above the 116 level.
Above the 116. So where do you need this stock to land, basically?
Yeah, basically just, don't exceed that by a vast amount here.
So you're putting a ceiling on Apple at $116.
Yeah, more non-bullish than bearish here. I think Apple will probably just kind of go sideways here, given that 11% one-week rally we saw.
I see. Moving on to SBUX. This is another stock that you're watching. What's your play here?
Yeah, this was a patience play. We saw big call volume over the past couple weeks. The stock kept falling, so instead of jumping in with those big call buyers, kind of waited for the stock to show a little bit of support. Finally did at the 53 level, so I jumped in, just simply bought the October 53 calls, looking for a pop back on SBUX. Stock's down about 15% over the last week and a half.
So you want to see SBUX go above $53 by October, sometime
exactly
in October.
Right. And the options are very cheap implied, while even given the sell-off stayed relatively inexpensive.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
You too. Thanks, Ann.